Hello, hello. Well, Shady Why. I'm Marilyn, and today I'm having to do a voiceover because I had it on mute for some reason. This is going to be a Marilyn versus Barry video, and Barry gave me some jewelry that I had been doing some shorts, and I had some jewelry that I did some shorts, and I'm going to bring them to you today and show you what we have. These are some beautiful pieces. If you haven't been here before, my name's Marilyn, my husband's name's Barry, and we are resellers. We sell on multiple platforms and bring everything to you first. If you see anything you're interested in, you simply send us an email to 1shadyny@gmail.com. In your email, simply give us a timestamp, a description what you're looking for, and your mailing address if you haven't already purchased from us before. Shipping is $5 in the United States, under 12 ounces. Anything over 12 ounces or outside the United States is based on where you're located and how much it weighs. We do PayPal invoices once a week on Saturdays or Sundays, and we ship out throughout the week. If you don't have a PayPal account, no problem. You can pay as a guest. We do have a promotion going right now. It is a May promotion. It is a mixed mystery jewelry bag. For $5, we fill the bag with things out of the Goodwill boxes that are from the past. We try not to do any craft items, only wearable, sellable items. It is at least 12 ounces in the bag. And as I said, they're $5 plus shipping. You can buy as many as you want. There's no limit. So I think that is all the housekeeping we have. So I'm going to push this over to the side and start showing you the pieces that we have. I have done shorts on a lot of these, but not all of them. The first item we have is this beautiful sterling silver multi-gemstone pendant. This is a very beautiful, nicely weighted bracelet. It had a little smuts on it, came right off, no problem. Here it has a 925 on the back. You can see it is nicely thick and sterling silver. It is amethyst, citrine, peridot, iolite, and topaz. Beautiful piece, and we are asking $59 for this piece. Stunning. The next piece we have is this one. This is a sterling silver reversible abalone on this side, wrapped in sterling silver with a beautiful mother of pearl on the other side. It is a collar slide, so any size chain will fit on the bail. And on this piece, we are asking $55. Beautiful. Next, we have this 925 onyx open work pendant. Another one very nicely weighted. It has these open works on the side with the sterling little beads at the ends. A very, very beautiful piece. And this is $42. Lovely. Next, we have this piece, which is really special. This is a vintage Sagen, sterling silver, citrine, and garnet coin, a slide collar bail. Any size chain will fit through there, and it is just stunning. It is brass and sterling silver, and it is signed on the back. And on this piece, we are asking $75, and both of the stones are faceted. Next, we have this adorable sterling silver, real pearl, glass bicone beads, and sterling silver spacers bracelet. This is sweet. It is in excellent condition, and I don't know if you can see, these pearls are a really beautiful white, but they also have like this beautiful luster to them that's almost rainbowish. But it's very light, but they are definitely white. I love these pearls. Very, very pretty. It has a toggle clasp with a heart, and then it has a sterling cross. This is a 6 3/4. Beautiful, beautiful piece. And on this one, we are asking $45. Next, we have this piece, which is a vintage sterling silver open heart pendant / charm. It is signed on the back. It has a roller clasp bail, then another bail. Just a real simple piece, and we're asking $18. Next, we have this one, which is a vintage sterling silver peace dove. This has a mark on the back. I cannot remember this logo, but it is signed with a logo and 925 and very detailed. And again, this one has a thumb clasp and a separate bail. And on this one, we're doing $25. And the last one we have in Barry's collection is a sterling silver multi gemstone garnet gemstone pendant. They are faceted with marquee and round gemstones in a beautiful collar slide veil. Then at the bottom, you have these beautiful heavy tassels that are also sterling silver. This is online between $140 and $150, and we are asking $85 for this. Stunning, stunning piece. Okay, that's Barry's collection, as I said. So now we are going to start with the pieces that I'm bringing. And I have put a lot of these on shorts, but I wanted to bring them to everybody. To start with, this is one of my favorite pieces. It's small, but it's gorgeous. This is a sterling silver stork with a baby. Very, very detailed. I believe this piece is pre-1940s, and it just is so nicely done. Look at the detail on this. The baby, the stork, just lovely with this original patinaed sterling. And on this one, I'm going to ask $35. Love this one. Helps to have it on the screen, Marilyn. Next, we have this piece. This is a really pretty piece. This is a sterling butterfly. The stones are real diamonds. It's marked 925 on the inside. It is as is because it is missing a couple of diamonds. But the diamonds that are there are stunning. So you just would either wear it as it is or decide to go and have the diamonds that are missing replaced. They could also, of course, use lab diamonds as replacement. But this is a beautiful ring. This is a size 8.5. It definitely has definition and lift to the wings. It is just a beautiful ring. However, the stones are missing, so I'm selling it as is, and I'm going to do $30. Gorgeous piece, but it is missing some stones. I believe there might be 3 stones missing. Next, we have this 36-inch chunky malachite necklace. This has no clasp, and it is one strand. These are super chunky chips. It has a lot of weight to it. As I said, it's 36 inches, and I'm going to offer $38 for this. Beautiful, beautiful piece. Next is I think I'm saying this right, Missoma Lucy Williams 18 karat vermeil octagon coin necklace. This is a marked Missoma. It on the chain is marked also. It is a coin, very, very heavy, well weighted. It has a M for Missoma. The lobster clasp is vermeil. And on the little tip, it has the 925 right there. And on the back of the little disc, it also says M and 925 again. It is 18 inches with about a 2.5-inch extension. This one, we are asking $90. These are online for much, much higher and selling well. A beautiful designer piece. Love this. I don't know what I'm saying, but I bet it was good. Okay, the next one we have is new with box. This came in a Christmas box collaboration from Christina with Stina Resells. This is 925 1/10 total carat weight diamond necklace. It is 18 inches and it is a beautiful necklace. It is marked on the back. We're going to do $30 on this one. Nice packaging, and it is on the back for $124.98. Still original tag. The next one is such a cute one. I have shown this one before. This is a Talbot's enamel lemon and bloom necklace. It is 20 inches plus a 3-inch extension. It is just a sweet, nice, I think very, very summery necklace with a gold tone to it. And it is white and yellow enamel with white and yellow acrylic beads. Very, very sweet. And on this one, we're going to do just $15. And the total length is 23 inches. And again, only $15. Next, we have this beautiful sterling silver Carol Felly Southwestern flower cuff. It is marked on the inside with the year of it was made, copyright Carol Felly's maker's mark, and sterling written out. This is a gorgeous cuff with beautiful flowers attached. It is a 6.5, just beautiful. And again, you can make this larger or smaller just by being sure that you heat it up a little before you try to stretch it. We're going to offer it for $50. And the last thing we have is this sterling silver Dominique faceted marquee and round cubic zirconia. Well, Dominique is a type of cubic zirconia prong set ring. This is a beautiful piece that has a lovely, purposely slightly patinaed look to it to make those Dominique cubic zirconias pop. This is an 8.5, and it is marked on the inside with it being Diamonique 925, just beautiful. And as I said, sterling silver, and this one we are going to offer for $28. Beautiful. So there you go. Let me go out where you can actually see what you're looking at. So who did you think had the better jewelry, me or Barry? I think we both did well. Both have beautiful pieces. And if you see anything, definitely send us an email to shading@gmail.com. Be sure to have a wonderful and safe Memorial Day weekend. We appreciate you spending a little bit of your day with us, and we will see you on the next one. Bye.